Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing our newest listing here at the National in Ave Maria, Florida. This is the Birkdale. It's Terrace Condo Unit 437, part of the terrace line of condos that you're going to find here with full golf membership, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, just under 1,200 square foot, and it comes turnkey furnished, so that means you get everything that you see in this video with the home ready to move in. All right, folks, so on the right hand side here as we come into the Birkdale, this is your owner's suite here. Nice sized room. That's a king size bed for perspective. Then we have 2 closets here. One's the walk-in style, the other one is more of a coat closet style. The owner's bath, here you see the singular sink, the commode, and here we have a standalone shower. Now coming back out towards the entryway, right across from the primary, you have your guest bedroom, featured here with the twin beds. And then your closet here is the bifold style. Right off this room, you have the guest bath with the singular sink, the commode, and then you have a combination tub and shower right there. Right out to the main entryway again, this is your laundry space, full-size washer and dryer with additional storage above. And then the Birkdale opens up into this nice great room design. So you have the open kitchen here, the quartz countertops, stainless appliance package. Got a really nice sized dining area overlooking your views. And then here in the kitchen, it's a really nice sized island overlooking your great room space. Now, last but not least on this home are the views. So the views from here are spectacular. So coming outside, on both sides you have lake and golf course views all the way around. That's an amazing viewpoint for a condo in this price range. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.